We've had quite the morning today. So last night we pulled into Mundrabilla around 5:30. It's awesome little roadhouse and definitely the best food that we've experienced so far. And we decided to pay to camp in the Roadhouse camp. And that's where things got kind of weird. There was some kind of screeching animal that kept us up all night. I think it was a cow. I couldn't be sure. Maybe it was like some kind of cow hybrid thing, like a Dr. Moreau creature. Jury's still out on that one. And then also trucks fueling up at midnight kept us up. And then, of course, just as we're leaving today, we're making decent time. Pulling out of the Roadhouse, I discovered I had a flat tire, and it was the back tire, which is the hardest one to change. So, now we're on the road to Eucla. Hopefully we get there in decent time, and then we're planning to stop at the border. So it should be a good day. Hopefully the weather holds up. All right.
We're just about to climb Eucla Pass, which looks pretty tough from here, but it's only going to be about 3 miles, then we're in Eucla, so let's see how that goes. Alright, we made it to Eucla.
Oh, that was rough.
But not before nearly dying climbing up the Eucla Pass.
There's a hill. Why? It's been flat.
A really steep hill.
It's so steep, and it curves. That we left that behind.
But now we get to check out the museum.
That's true.
And hunt down for the Nullarbor nymph.
Yes, Eucla is famous for the Nullarbor nymph, and she was a naked woman that was seen running with the kangaroos in this area.
Is that right?
Yeah, it's
Running
true.
with the kangaroos.
Running with the kangaroos.
Okay, I don't know if I want to meet her.
Well, I want to reenact that.
Okay, let's go to Boulder Village now. Looks like Eucla is the first museum we've found that isn't a pioneer museum. It's actually a telegraph museum. We're just about to hit the South Australian border. Woo! Alright, we just landed in Boulder Village. So as is customary, it's time for the golf pro to show us her moves. What's wrong?
I lost the ball.
You've got more, don't you?
Yeah, like that was my yellow one. Oh, I have to go dig for them.
What a professional.
That was a yellow ball.